In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make a backup code in Roblox. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. I recommend following this video on a computer at the Roblox website on a web browser. However, you can also do this on your phone as long as you go to the Roblox website on a web browser. In here, log into your account that you want to secure and click on the cog wheel icon at the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. After My Settings load, simply go to the Security tab, and in here you have a lot of options including two-step verification, and at the bottom you can see Security Keys Very Secure. This is the equivalent of a backup code, and all you have to do is tick this box. As you can see, this is supported on web browsers, iPhone and iPad, and you need a hardware security key or device's biometrics like fingerprint or facial recognition. So tick the box at the right, and as you can see, it's going to tell you if you are on a valid web browser, iPhone or iPad. As you can see, security keys is currently on web only. Please set up Authenticator first so that you can use two-step verification. So what you have to do first is turn on two-step verification. You can do so by inputting your password over here and clicking Verify. You are going to get a QR code that you have to scan to set up the authenticator before getting the security codes. After you go through with that process, you will be able to get the backup or security codes and store them somewhere safe. I hope I was able to help you on how to make a backup code in Roblox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.